Hello everyone, today I'm here again with another video of unboxing. This time I'm gonna demonstrate my personally used Bosch Freedom tool. Okay, so this is basically a drill machine with few set, not many. People who are wondering to buy a drill machine, please my suggestion would be to not go for any drill bit sets or drill machine sets. Okay, the tools that you see from Bosch or from Black & Decker or Black Plus Decker with multiple accessories like hammer, a plier or multiple plier or wrenches are not a good product, because in those series or in those accessory sets, drill machine sets, what you get is the original drill machine from Bosch or Black & Decker, but rest of the accessories are not from Bosch or Black & Decker. It ends up getting wasted in due course of time, and due to that box setup or that suitcase setup, you cannot fit in externally purchased other products. Rather, you go for this box. Okay, this is a toolbox called Bosch Freedom, where you can actually store few things on your own. Okay, guys, if you want to follow toolbox video, I have unboxed or reviewed Taparia toolbox. That was also a good video. Okay, it was a little smaller than this, but I find this one to be much more sturdy, okay, and good to use. That was also good, but that was a little smaller in size. So let's come back to this one. So I'll show you. This comes with a 550 watt drill machine. Okay, it's called a professional series from Bosch, and this box itself is called a Freedom. Okay, as you get the branding. I have opened it once, so okay. All right, let's start to see what is inside. Good clips, good locks, sturdy. You get a good grippy handle. Okay, I open this. The plastic quality is good, guys. Honeycomb finish with a 3D feel. Okay, these are good. Okay, first you get a grip handle, additional grip handle. So if you're using a powerful drill machines, you might like 550 and 600 watt drill machine always comes with this handy additional grip, which is attached to the like mouth of the drill machine set, and you can grip it for better utilization. I'll keep this aside. You get a first layer storage. Like remember I was mentioning about the Taparia toolbox set that I have reviewed. That comes with a 1-inch depth like this much, but this one comes with a more than 2-inch depth. Okay, so you can actually store pretty big items like a hammer or a plier. Okay, so that's why I was preferring to this one. You purchase your own hammer set or your own hammer, you can purchase your own plier and put it here. That can be a branded or good one. Okay, so this is how it looks like, good and sturdy. I'll keep this here. Then you have the documentation. So we have a warranty card, 6 months warranty. We have a service center directory. Okay, it's a list of all the service centers by state. That's what is mentioned here, phone numbers, address. Okay, then we have a user manual. Okay, it's a multi-language user manual like this. Okay, keeping it aside, then we have a thermocol partition which comes with a scale. I'll show you the utility of the scale little later. So it basically comes with two type of marking. Okay, one is from this to that, another one is again from this to that. So it's basically this side goes within the drill bit set, and then you define the numbers. Okay, I'll show you. Keep it here. Let's come back. Let's start to like identify what are the accessories that I get. All right, so I get two screwdriver head. It's a Phillips screwdriver head. Okay, 4-notch ones. It's the same exact thing they have given twice, or a 2-piece. I don't know why. Any which way, I'll keep this aside. I get drill bits. Okay, 4 drill bits up to 10 mm. This machine supports up to 13 mm, but they have provided 4 drill bit. Highest one is a 10 mm one. Okay, another one. So you get masoneries and wood. Okay, 2 separate drill bit set. I'll try to open one and show it to you. Like if you are buying this product, you'll get good drill bits. Okay, these are really good, and you can additionally purchase Bosch drill bit sets online. So this is a 10 mm if you can see. not sure if the camera is doing justice or not. It's a 10 mm one. So these are good bits. Okay, so you can buy your own drill bit sets, okay, full set from Bosch, and store it here. This gives you a storage unit instead of buying that accessory set like the suitcase model. All right, on my right I have multiple screws, quite a few number of screws of different sizes. Okay, then I have screw caps or screw locks, sorry, it's called sockets, okay, in which like you drill it in your wall, put this socket inside and then you screw it, so it stays there. Okay, all right, let's come to the actual item, the drill machine. Okay, let me remove the plastic. This is quite heavy, guys. Okay, this is a solid heavy one. Okay, good build. So here if we focus, you will see it supports up from 1.5 mm to 13 mm drill heads. Okay, all right, so it comes with a lock wrench or a key. So this is used to tighten. Once you put a drill bit inside, you have to use it to manually tighten it. Okay, you see this head opening or closing. Okay, this is a manual fit. It comes with standard with most of the Indian drills. Okay, now it's a Bosch Professional GB 550, that means 550 watt. It comes with a reversible mode also. Okay, so it goes both way, backward and front. Okay, so you put it, the arrow says backward, so you pull out. Okay, it's unscrew, and here this side if you put it, it's screw in. Okay, okay, so another aspect is the hammer effect. It comes with the hammer effect. If you see this hammer icon is here, you can slide it. On the opposite side it's a normal effect. So hammer effect is used if you are drilling through hard concretes, okay, like a ceiling or like something, a welding joint or a hard joints. Okay, another thing is a hold switch. So it's like if you are using this drill machine for a longer period of time and you don't want to hold the switch like this, or it's not it's difficult to hold the switch like this, so you can do this. It will always work in a full action. Okay, you completely press it, and then you press this black button. Okay, and it gets locked here until you actually again press the red button. Okay, it then again releases it. Okay, so we discussed about the sliding, like unscrew or reverse function. Okay, we discussed about this hold switch, we discussed about the hammer effect. Let me now show you how that additional handle can be attached. Okay, so here it is. So you slide it through, so you have to just expand it. This is the knob to expand this cap. You slide it through. Okay, and you slide it all the way in the green place. Do not slide it here because it is something that moves. Okay, so you slide it, you position it based on your preference or comfort. Now it is set. You get an additional grip. So you're drilling downward, it gives you additional grip. If you're drilling upward, it gives you additional grip. It's like a gun. Okay, it gives that grip. And remember that scale we were talking about? Let me show you the function of that scale. So it's basically a depth gauge. Okay, how it works is like if you're using the scale, this is for the scale. You just slide it. Okay, you see this hole, it's again a hexagonal hole. So I'm going to slide this. Remember to keep that the teeth downward. Okay, just keep the teeth downward, and then I tighten it. Okay, so this basically gives me an idea of how long I should be drilling. Now I have a drill head here. Okay, so max I'll be allowed to drill this much, like a 2-inch depth. So that's how what the depth gauge functions as. Let me show you by connecting a drill head. Now let me attach this one. Okay, after certain point of time it will not attach, so then I have to use this key, okay, and tighten this up. How do I tighten it? This is how I tighten it. Okay, it's all tightened. Okay, now this will not move out. This gives me a depth gauge. I hope you guys are getting my point. Like, this is my scale and this much will be drilled. Okay, so I can just increase the depth or I can decrease the depth. Okay, I have connected the power source. Okay, it's difficult to do it in hands and camera adjusting together. So I was referring to a slow speed functionality. A lot of people complain that Bosch is not good in slow speed, rather Black & Decker is. I found both are equally good. So see, this is, you follow that drill pin or drill head, okay. You see, this is going very slow. This is very helpful when you are doing unscrewing or screwing. Now gradually I am increasing it. I can still hold on to this, okay. So I am in the hammer action. Now if I go to normal mode, I press it first stage. See, I press it first stage. This is what I am going through. I can further slow it. Okay, so it's not that you cannot control your speed, you can actually control it. Then you can go all the way. Okay, this is normal mode. If I go in hammer action, okay, that's a hammer action mode. So that's how it works. I really like this product and I am really happy to purchase this with this Freedom box. I will be buying my own set of accessories and keeping it on top of it. I will buy my own hammer, I'll buy my own chisel or plier that I need, okay, and I'm going to attach it based on my need. I have a box to store, that's what makes me happy. I don't have to worry about any additional purchase or any additional toolbox to store, which is really a peace of mind. Alright guys, that's about it on this particular unboxing video for Bosch professional GSB 550 watt drill machine in the Freedom box. Okay, I hope you like my video. Let me know in comment section if you have any questions or concerns. I'll try to answer my best. Thank you guys.